Hello guys, myself Vinay Kumar. You are watching Win Motivation. Welcome back guys in our channel. In this video, I will tell you about the 9 things that can make you rich and that can make you poor. So guys, let's talk about the thing number 1. That is your mentality. Poor people are poor because they don't have money. No, they are poor because they have poor mindset. While the rich people are rich because they have money. No, they are rich because they have rich mindset. According to law of attraction, if you first rich in your mind, then you can become in reality. So guys, after some videos I will make a personal video about this law of attraction. So guys, this is the first law that you should have to follow. So guys, talking about the next point, that is your cash flow. Rich people are always concerned about their cash flow, how the money comes in their life and how the money goes out from their life. So guys, this is the main thing you should have to follow, because rich people are always spending their money in assets, while the poor people are never concerned about their cash flow, how the money comes in and how the money goes out. They are always focusing on liabilities. Their all money sucks by liabilities. This is the main thing that make them poor and then make them rich. So guys, this is the second point. So going on the next point, poor people are work to earn while the rich people are work to learn. This is the big difference that make them poor and that make them rich. Poor people are just work to earn. They never focusing on learning what they learn from their work, while rich people are always focusing on learning what they learn from their work. Then they implement their small learning into a big thing, right? In the other sense, I will tell you that what the rich people do, they just learn from many things, then implement all their things in the one thing. So guys, due to which they achieve their goal easily, then they become successful. So guys, this is the third thing that can make you rich and that make them poor. So guys, the next thing is investment. Guys, investment in the sense, rich people are always investing their money in investments. They are always concerned about how to utilize their money, while the poor people are always focusing on savings. They just save money and then they think that they save a lot of money. No, they just save a little amount of money that is not enough to survive their life. So guys, rich people are save money to invest money. Rich people always save money to invest money to convert a huge amount of money. So guys, this is the fourth reason that make them rich and then that make them poor. So guys, going on the next point, that is rich people are long-sighted pupils. They are futuristic pupils. They are visionary pupils. They are optimistic pupils. They are opportunistic pupils. While the poor pupils are short-sighted pupils. They just work. They just vision. They just vision for their next meal. They just work for their next meal. They don't worry about their next 10 years, next 12 years or next 5 years. They just work for their next meal. While the rich pupils are too. What they do? They plan their next 10 years. They work for their next 10 years, for their next 5 years, for their next 12, 20 years. They always work with planning. They always are long-sighted visionary pupils. So guys, this is the main thing that make them rich and that make them poor. So guys, going on the next thing, that is knowledge about money. Rich people are highly knowledgeable about money. They know the power of money. They know how money works. They utilize the money. While poor people are not know the power of money. They don't know how to utilize it, how to invest it, due to which they are poor. This is a big difference. Poor people work for money, while money works for rich people. This is the big thing that you should have to implement to become rich. So guys, the next thing is just do it. Poor people are always wait for the right time, while the rich people never wait for the right time. They know the right time will never comes. They create the right time. They just do it and don't wait for the right time. So guys, going on the next thing, that is time management. Poor people don't know about the time. They don't know the power of time, just like money. They don't know the what is the time. They're just wasting, killing, and don't utilize their time. While rich people know the power of time. They know how the time works. They know time is much more precious than money. They know time is the thing that goes, it never come back in their life. So they use their time wisely. They use their time like money. So guys, this is the main thing that make them rich and that make them poor. So guys, you should have to use your time wisely. You should have to become a time manager for yourself, for your life, for your success. So guys, next thing is many earning channels. The poor people are almost dependent on their one earning channel, that is their salary or that is their daily payout or whatever it is, but they are only dependent, mostly dependent on their one source of income, while rich people are not dependent on their one source of income. They are wise people. They make many channels of earning. They are earn from many channels. They are earning from investment. They are earning from rental incomes. They are earning from interest. They are earning from share market, and they are earning from bonds and many more things that they know. So guys, this is the thing that rich people do. So guys, if you want to become rich in your future, if you want to be a millionaire, if you want to be a billionaire, if you want to be a trillionaire, you should have to follow these some steps in your life. You must have to implement these steps in your life. So guys, all the very best for your life, for your success. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe this channel and press the like button and share this video among all your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the very best.